Welcome. This is the Python implementation of the PBC4cip algorithm. In order to execute the algorithm, we need to make sure that we have everything we need. Please, remember to install pandas. Lyakarv. And tqdm packages before starting. Then, after all dependencies are taken care of, please proceed to execute the PBC4cip.cli.py file, using the Python command corresponding to your operative system. If no argument is given, the following help text instructions are displayed on the command line terminal. Here we can see how we can use the script to train the algorithm using one or many files. After we have extracted all our patterns in the training phase, we can also test the algorithm against one or many files. Please, note that this script expects that both training and testing files have a common base name and a suffix indicating the purpose of the file. Also, we can either choose to execute a multivariate version of this algorithm, change the number of trees that will be used by the random forest miner inside the pattern extraction phase, or we can specify an output directory different to the default one. Now, after all those instructions, let's try executing the algorithm by passing one file for training, and one file for testing. As you can see, the algorithm is now extracting the patterns from the dataset. And after all patterns have been extracted, the script will attempt to use the obtained patterns to classify the instances inside the testing dataset. After these steps are completed, we can open the output directory and see that 4 files have been created. The .py pattern file contains the patterns obtained, along with other data, in binary form. The CSV file contains all extracted patterns along with their class support. The _results.md file contains the confusion matrix for the test, and, finally, the test results.csv file contains the name of the dataset tested along with its area under the ROC curve value. If we test multiple files at once, then this last file will have more rows. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice rest of your day.